How to verify your YouTube account. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can verify your ID on YouTube. Now, the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. In order to verify your ID on YouTube, first you'll have to verify your phone number. And how you can do so, let me guide you through. You can simply head over to your browser, and on the browser, on the search bar, you want to type in youtube.com/verify. As you can see here, youtube.com/verify. Make sure to type it in correctly, check the spellings, and then tap on go. Once you do so, if your account isn't verified, it will pop up right here to enter in your phone number and verify it. In my case, as you can see, it says your phone number has already been verified, which means my ID has been verified. So this way you can easily verify your YouTube account or YouTube ID. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.